Yes, now students, our next topic, next chapter, skip counting. So then what is skip counting? So then how to skip count? So 2s, 3s, 4, 5s, all these things we are going to discuss in this chapter, okay? Then before start our chapter, so our warm up time. So in this one caterpillar is given. On this caterpillar some numbers are there. So what are the numbers? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. All this number once you read loudly, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So like this you read all these numbers loudly. So also if you want to read these numbers in a lyric, means say like a song, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like this you can read, okay? So you read all these numbers loudly, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, okay? Like this you have to read all these numbers loudly, okay? Yes, now students, learning time. So in learning time, so here two friends are there. So one friend, here is two friends are there. So here the first friend, he is saying that you have to jump on every toes. What she is saying? She is saying that so you have to jump on every toes. So what his friends replies? I can jump, he can jump, but I don't know how to count by twos. He knows how to jump he knows, but he don't know how to count twos. So how to count twos he don't know. So then what is the method to count twos? Here we are going to discuss about how to count twos, okay? Then skip. So what is here skipping? So twos jumps on every twos, every twos we have to skip first. If she starts from 1, so 1 to 2, this is one step, 1 to 2, one step, again she has to turn like this, again 3, so 3 steps, 2 steps, here to here one step, again she turn and one more step here, one step and second step, means twos given here, jumps on every twos, means we have to skip 2, 2, 2, 2, like that, means every 2 steps she has to count. After one step where she is, and again one more step where she is. After 2 steps she has to see where she is. Here to here one step, one count, here to here another count, 1 to 2, this is one step, 2 to 3, this is the second step. So what is skip counting from 1 to 2, 2 to 3. If 2 skips, then where she will be? She will be at 3. Then after that, if again she skips, then 3 to 4, this is one step, 4 to 5, again this is skips. First after skip 2, so then where she will be? She will be at 3, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 steps. 2 skips means where she is at 3. Then after that from 3 to skip 2 means where she is? 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Then after 5 to 6, 6 to 7, where she will be? At 7. If from here 7 to 8, then 8 to 9, where she will be? At 9. So if 2 to skips, then at the very beginning, so she is at 1, then after that if she skip 2's, then where she will be? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, here. Then after 2 skips, then where she will be? 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Then again if she skip 2's, then where she will be? 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Then after skips 2's, then where she will be? 7 to 8, 8 to 9. So at finally where she will be? So at 9. So if he skips 2 twos, then where he is? Then if he starts from 10, then where in the reverse order? 10 to 9, 9 to 8, he will be at 8. After skips 2's, then where he will be? 8 to 7, 7 to 6, he will be at 6. After 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 6 to 5 one step, 5 to 4 second step. Then from 4, 4 to 3 one step, 3 to 2 another step. If he skips 2's from 10, then where he will be at finally? At 2. So if she skips from 1, then at finally where she will be? She will at 9. Okay. Skips means 2 steps they have to count. First one step, then after that another step. 2 steps they have, so they have to count. Okay. So skip means counting 2 steps. Counting 2 steps. Why? Because every two. So what she is asking? She is asking you have to jump on every twos first. So he has to check where, on which number he will be. So if suppose he is on 10, then he will count serial. So 10 to 9 one step, 9 to 8 another step. He will be at 8. Then after that from 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6. See from 6 to 5 one step, 5 to 4 another step, 2 steps. Then 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 steps. In this way, so they has to count. To count the numbers. Counting means they should count the numbers. What is they are asking means she is asking every twos. According to that, every 2 steps they has to count. Okay. So in that way they move 2 steps. Every 2 steps they has to check. So where he or she will be. Okay. So but here one condition. So they should follow the sequence 10 to 9, 9 to 8. Okay. 8 to 7. Don't count 8, 6, 4 like that. Don't miss any number between. So okay, reverse counting. So 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4. In this way they has to count and they has to follow 2 to skip counting 2 steps they has to count. Okay, where they will be. So that is nothing but skip counting 2's. So the second means one of his friend is saying that he can jump. He is no jump how to jump. So but he don't know how to jump 2's. How to know how to count 2's means every 2 steps they has to count. From 10 to 9, 9 to 8 like this they has to count. Okay, 2 steps, every 2 steps they has to count. This is skip 2's. Skip 3's means 3 steps they has to count. Okay. Now example. In example sum, let us count on a number line in skipped 2's. What is given here? Skip 2's. So first draw a number line. So this is a number line and note your numbers from 0 to 10. 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 to 10 numbers we have to write on a number line. So then what he has given here? Skip of 2's. So means every 2 steps we have to check. So where we are. Okay. Every second step. So see here. So starts from 0. You start from 0. 0 to 1 one step. 1 to 2 second step. 0 to 1 one step. 1 to 2 means from 0 to 2. Skip of 2's. This is 1. 0 to 1 one step. 1 to 2 means skip of 2's. 2 numbers there. Then after that 2 to 3 one step. 3 to 4. So means from 2 to 4 again. This is skip of 2's. 1 here, 2 steps. This is one step, this is another step. After second step you have to check. So which number will come? So till there you have to move. Then 4 to 5 one step, 5 to 6 another step. 1 plus 1 2 steps means from 4 to 6 we have to move. Okay. Again from 6. 6 to 7 one step, 7 to 8 another step. 2 steps means from 6 to 8 we have to move. Then after that 8. From 8 to 9 one step, 9 to 10 another step. Then 2 steps. From 8 to 10 another step. So these are skip of 2's. Skip of 2's. 2 to here 1, 0 to 1, 1 step, 1 to 2, 2 step. Means we have to go from 0 to 2. So it shows skip of 2's. Skip of 2's. Okay. From 2 to again we have to count 2 steps. 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So the second step is at 4. Means from 2 to 4 we have to move. And after that from 4 to 5 one step, 5 to 6 second step. Means 4 to 6 we have to move. Now 6 to 7 one step, 7 to 8 second step. Means 6 to 8 we have to move. Now 8 to 9 one step, 9 to 10 another step. Means 8 to 10 we have to move. Skip of 2's. What are the numbers? So 0 and after that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are the numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the numbers skip of 2's. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 7. If we start from 0, then skip of 2 numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these numbers are also called even numbers. These numbers are called even numbers. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers are called even numbers. Okay, skip of counts. Skip of 2's. Where we starts? From 0. If we start from 0, then what are the skip of counts from 10 till 10? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These numbers are also called even numbers. Now, if you start from 0, then what about your skip of 2's? Means, so we are starting from 0 here, not from 0, we are starting from 1. So we are starting from 1. 1 to 2 one step, 2 to 3 another step. Means, so 2 steps from 1 to 3. Skip of 2's. So if you start from 1, then after that 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 2 steps, 3 to 4 one step, 4 to 5 another step. Means 3 to 5. Then 5 to 6 one step, 6 to 7 another step, 2 steps. So means 5 to 7, 5 to 7. Next 7. 7 to 8 one step, 8 to 9 another step. Means 7 to 9 skip of 2's. So what are the number skip of 2's when we start from 1? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the number skip of 2's when we start from 1. When we starts from 1. When we starts from 1, then what are your skip of 2's? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these numbers are also called odd numbers. Okay. When you start from zeros, then what are your skip of 2 numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these 5 numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These 5 numbers are called even numbers. When you start from 1 on the number line, then your skip of 2's are 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 7 to 9. These are your skip of 2's. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are called odd numbers. Understand? Okay. Now students, see here. Say how many skips are there? How many skips are there? So we have to say how many skips are there. So from where we start? So on apple some numbers are written. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. These numbers are written on apples. See. So then what is the skip here? 2. 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So what is the skip? 2. Skip of 2's. Here 4. 4 to 5, 5 to 6 means 2 skips. Here 6. 6 to 7, 7 to 8. 8 is here means skip of 2's. 8 to 9, 9 to 10, skip of 2's. 10 to 11, 11 to 12, skip of 2's. 12 to 13, 13 to 14, skip of 2's. And here 16 is there. 14 to 15, 15 to 16, skip of 2's. 16 to 17, 17 to 18, skip of 2's. Skip of 2's. Then how many skips are there? 2 to 4, here one skip. 4 to 6, this is a second skip. 6 to 8, this is the third skip. 8 to 10, this is fourth skip. 10 to 12, this is fifth skip. 12 to 14, this is sixth skip. Then 14 to 16, seventh skip. Then 16 to 18, eighth skip. 2 to 4, first. 4 to 6, second skip. 6 to 8, third skip. 8 to 10, fourth skip. 10 to 12, fifth skip. 12 to 14, sixth skip. 14 to 16, seventh skip. 16 to 18, eighth skip. Total how many skips are there? 8 skips are there. Total 8 skips are there. Okay. In this way you have to count and you have to say how many skips are there. Okay. Okay students. Now here, so in this question, in activity first, what he has given, see children, so crossing out every second number beginning from 0, from 0 means first you cross this 0, okay. Every second number we have to cross, every second number. This is first, this is second number again we have to cross, and after that this is first, this is second number we have to cross, this is first, this is second, this number we have to cross, this is first, this is second, this second number we have to cross, again from here this is first and this is second number we have to cross. After this is first number, this is second number we have to cross, and after this is first number, this is second number we have to cross. Okay. After 14, 15 is a first number and 16 is a second number. We have to cross this 16. After 16, 17 is a first number and 18 is a second number. We have to cross. And after 18, 19 is a first number, 20 is a second number. Cross this 20. 21 is a first number, 22 is a second number. You cross this 22. And after 22, 23 is a first number, 24 is a second number. Cross this 24. And after this, 25 is a first number, 26 is a second number. Cross this one. After this, 27 is a first number, 28 is a second number, cross this one. Then after that 29 is a first number, 30 is a second number, cross your second number. And after 30, 31 is a first number, 32 is a second number, cross this 32. And after that 33 is a first number, 34 is a second number, cross this second number. Then after that 35 is our first number, 36 is our second number, cross this second number. Then after 36, 37 is our first number, 38 is our second number, then cross this one. Okay. So in this way we have to cross every second number, means every second number, so we have to crossing out. So where from we start from 0, he has given beginning from 0. So from where we have to start? We have to start from 0. From 0, every second number we have to cross. We have to cross out. Okay. So first you make your box like this and you start from 0. From 0 to every second number you have to cross out. Okay. Now students, see here, counting in twos starting from zeros. Counting in twos we have to start from 0. 0 means in first box we have to write 0. Then after that we have to count 2 to 0. After that 1, 2 means 2. After 2 again you have to count 2's. 3, 4. 4 will come. After 4 count 2's. 5, 6. 6 we have to write. After 6 count 2's again. 7, 8. 8 you have to write here. After 8 count 2's again. 9, 10. 10 here. After 10 again count 2's. 11, 12. 12 after 12 count 2's. 13, 14. 14 after 14 count 2's. 15, 16. After 16 again count 2's. 17, 18. In this way you have to count 2 2's and write your answer in the boxes. 0. After counting 2's what? 1, 2. After 2, 3, 4. After 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. After 10, 11, 12. After 12, 13, 14. After 14, 15, 16. After 16, 17, 18. So these are counting 2's from 0 to the given from last till last box. Okay. Yes. Now students, next question. In our second activity, in which activity? In the second activity, what he has given? Counting in 2's and write the missing numbers. One table is given. In this table we have to count in 2's. Count in 2's. So in missing boxes we have to write which number will come. Which number will come? 0, 2, 4 already filled. From 4, so you have to count missing counting 2's. Counting 2's. 4, 5, 6. 6 will come here. So after 8, 10 is there. Then 10. After 10 count 2's. 11, 12. 12 will come here. 14. From 14 count 2's. 15, 16. Okay. 18. From 18. 19, 20. 20 you have to write. Then 24. 24 count 2's. 25, 26. Here 26. After 28 count 2's. 29, 30. Then 34. 34 count 2's. 35, 36. 36, from 36 count 2s, 36, 37, 38, 38, here 40, 40 count 2s from here, 41, 42, here from 42 count 2s, 43, 44, then 50 after, 50, 51, 52, from here 54, 55, 56, here 58, here see 58, here it is missing, means from 58, so we have to count 2s, 59, 60, that 60 we have to write here. After that 64, 64, 65, 66, then after 64 if we count 2s then the number is 66, then after here blank is there, so we have to check this 72, 73, 74, so this was missing here, so means from 76 we have to count 77, 78, then 8 is there, then after this 81, 82, then again from 82, 83, 84, from 86, 87, 88, from 90, 91, 92, from 92, 93, 94, then this is 100, after 100, 101, 102, here 102, then 103, 104, next 104, 105, 106, 106, then 107, 108, here we have to write 108, then after 108 count 2s, 109, 110, 110, then 111, 112, 112, then 113, 114, 114, then 115, 116, then 117, 118, 118. So in this way we have to fill our counting in 2s. So whatever space is given, whatever box is missing, so that box we have to count before which number is there. So we have to check that number, like 24 is there, then count is 25, 26, don't count 24, start from 25, 25, 26. So like that you count and fill empty boxes. Okay.